Hi guys, I'm Jaime Peña from Peña's Kitchen. Rhubarb custard pie, the recipe of the day. It's simple, delicious, and it's so easy that you can use any kind of berry. So today we are going to use the rhubarb. So stick with us and check it out how delicious it is.
Okay, so first thing we sift the flour, add some salt, cold butter, break in little pieces, and we start kneading all this together until it gets crumbled. We add a little bit of cold water, like 4 tablespoons. Then we make a bowl and keep it on the fridge while we work in the other stuff. Chop the rhubarb, put some sugar on top, and let it sit aside while we work on the dough. Now we take the bowl out of the fridge and we start kneading it with a floured surface. Okay, so we don't want it to stick on the bottom, so we check it out, then we roll it back as thin as you can before it breaks. So now we put it on the mold carefully, but if it breaks, it's not a big deal because we are gonna patch it like this and it's perfect. Now we poke it with a fork on the bottom. We use parchment paper and we are gonna put chickpeas or peanuts. We are gonna use for a snack later. So now we put it in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Now we take the eggs with sugar and milk or cream and flour. Whisk it really well, and there you go, we have the custard. So after 10 minutes we take the crust out of the oven. We take the peanuts, put some salt, pepper, paprika, maybe some thyme, and there you go, we have a snack for later. Okay, so with the crust, now we put the custard inside and then the rhubarb without the liquid. We spread it evenly. Now we put the granola on top. Direct to the oven for 50 minutes and this is the result. Let it sit for 10 minutes or 15 minutes and then take the mold out and it's ready to portion. We are gonna serve it with some ice cream, of course rhubarb ice cream, that we are gonna have that recipe next week. So stay with us for more delicious things in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, check our lists, and for the ingredients list, just click on the name of the video. Ciao!